In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan Steam QR code to log in. This method lets you sign in on your computer quickly and securely without typing your password on that device, which is especially handy on shared PCs or when you're setting up a new machine. First, make sure you have the Steam mobile app installed on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play, and that Steam Guard mobile authenticator is enabled on your account. Steam Guard is what powers QR code logins, so having it active is essential before you begin. Next, open the Steam app on your phone and sign in with your account credentials. If you're prompted to verify your identity with an email or SMS code during setup, go ahead and complete that. This confirms it's really you and prepares the app to approve logins later. Now move over to your computer. Open the Steam client, or go to the Steam website in your browser, and head to the sign-in screen. Choose the option to log in with a QR code. The screen will display a large square QR code that is unique to your session and typically refreshes after a short time for security. Back on your phone, in the Steam mobile app, tap the shield icon at the bottom to open Steam Guard. This is where you'll find the QR scanner. It's built right into Steam Guard, so you don't need a separate camera app or any extra tools. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and hold it steady. Keep the code centered and make sure the screen is bright and clearly visible. Good lighting helps, and you don't need to press a shutter button once the code is in view, the app will recognize it automatically. If the code refreshes on your computer while you're aiming, just scan the new one that appears. When the scan succeeds, your phone will confirm the sign-in and your computer will log into your Steam account. That's it. No typing on the keyboard, and your account stays protected because approval happens through your authenticated mobile app. If you ever run into trouble, double-check that you're signed into the correct account on the phone and that Steam Guard is enabled. Also make sure both your phone and computer have an internet connection. Small adjustments like moving a bit closer to the screen or reducing glare can make scanning instant. You're all set to use QR code login anytime you want a quick, secure way to access Steam. Thanks for watching.